Hi guys and welcome to CodeFeed. The question that we're gonna solve today on Leetcode is called merge sorted arrays. So in this question we are given two integer arrays and both of them are sorted. And we have to merge them and form another sorted array. So now in the first integer array that we are given, we have empty places in the end which are denoted by 0, and the first integer array is of the size m plus n, which means that it has sufficient space to hold the second array's values, and we have to merge them in the first array itself. So for this, what we're going to do is that we're going to start traversing these arrays from the end instead of the front. So we'll go from right to left in both the arrays and see if the value in the second array is greater or if the value in the first array is greater. Whichever value is greater, we're going to put that in the first array. So let's start coding. So let's say we're gonna use the pointer I for the first array. So now that should start from m minus 1 since m is the size of the first array. Let's use pointer j for the second array. The size of the second array is n. So j should start from n minus 1. This is because we are traversing the array from right to left. Let's take another pointer called k, which will point to m plus n minus 1. So this is for the new sorted array that we are going to form for the combined array. So now while I is greater than equal to 0 and j is greater than equal to 0, we're going to traverse the arrays from right to left. So let's say if nums 1 of I is greater than nums 2 of j. So now since the nums 1, the value in the first array is greater, we're going to put that in nums 1 of k. So nums 1 of k would be equal to nums 1 of I. After this we can decrease the I pointer. So now in case nums 2 value is greater, then we'll put nums 2 at nums 1 of k. So nums 2 of j would go to nums 1 of k, and we can decrease the j pointer, and we have to decrease the k pointer every time. So now in the case when only one array has all the larger values and the first array has only smaller values, one of the arrays will be over after we reach the end of the first loop. So we're going to have to put another loop here. So if I is still greater than equal to 0, then we can say that nums 1 of k should be equal to nums 1 of I, and we can decrease the I and the k pointers. We're going to have a same loop for the second array as well. So this should do the trick. Let's see. And our answer is perfect. There you go, it got accepted. If this video helped you, please like and comment on the video, and please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye.